So here we have the Mitsubishi Outlander on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the right hand side, first of all, we have the speedometer. On the left hand side, we have what would be the rev counter for the car. On this vehicle, it will show you whether the battery for the hybrid motor is charging, whether you're driving in eco mode or using the power band for the car. The green ready light will let you know that the car is running as we speak. And in the centre we have the fuel gauge, the battery charge level and the total miles for this car. They are 36,954. It'll also show what gear this car is in. We're in park at the moment, as you can see. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side we have cruise control and speed limiter, and on the left hand side we have phone controls down the bottom here and camera controls, which I'll come back to in a moment. We have the minus and plus paddles there so that you can change gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Over in the centre we then have the main touchscreen for the car. So you can see we have DAB, FM and AM radio. You can pair your phone from there. We have iPod input, USB input, Bluetooth audio as well. And you can swipe through to various screens, as you can see. Now, I mentioned the parking camera a moment ago. This vehicle's got a 360 camera, so reversing camera and a bird's eye view image of exactly where the car is parked right now. So very easy to park this vehicle. Below that, we have the dual zone climate control. So first of all, we can turn the system on by adjusting the fan speed, both up and down from here. We can then adjust the driver temperature, the passenger temperature. When you're happy with those settings, that button turns your air conditioning on and it's on when that symbol shows. Same button to turn it off, of course. Or hit auto. The car will then maintain the temperatures that you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed, which you can see and hear it doing, and the direction of the air for you. You can override that manually at any time you wish to. We can also recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperatures you set, of course. Below that, we can plug the key in there should we wish to. You don't have to, as long as the key is in the vehicle with you. You can start the vehicle up. We have a 12-volt charging socket. We have USB input, heated front screen, heated steering wheel, and we have blind spot monitoring system, which you can turn off. Again, we've done a video showing how the blind spot monitoring system works. You can find that on our website and YouTube channel should you wish to check that out. We have a couple of cup holders, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We have an electronic handbrake, the four-wheel drive for the car. We can put the vehicle into sport mode, and we have driver and passenger heated seats, both of which have 2 different heat settings each. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.